Direct commands. Direct commands are essentially short, unapologetic, and concise statements that are designed to bypass the conscious mind and directly influence the subconscious. These commands are typically phrased in the imperative tense, such as buy now or act fast. The idea is that by using these commands, the writer can tap into the reader's emotions and desires, creating a sense of urgency and motivating them to take action. There are several reasons why you should be using direct commands in your marketing and copywriting. First and foremost, they are an effective way to grab the reader's attention and create a sense of urgency. By using powerful, direct language, you can quickly capture their interest and motivate them to take action. Another reason to use direct commands is that they can help to overcome resistance or objections that the reader might have. By presenting your message in a clear and compelling way, you can persuade the reader to take action even if they were initially hesitant. Finally, direct commands can be a great way to reinforce your brand messaging and create a consistent message across all of your marketing materials. By using the same language and messaging in all of your communications, you can help to build trust and credibility with your audience, which can ultimately lead to more sales and conversions. Of course, it's important to use direct commands judiciously and in a way that feels authentic and natural to your brand. You don't want to come across as pushy or manipulative, but rather as confident and compelling. With practice and careful attention to your audience's needs and desires, you can use direct commands to create copy that is both effective and ethical. Remember, direct commands can be a powerful tool for marketing and copywriting, but it's important to use them in a way that feels authentic and aligned with your brand messaging. Use these examples as inspiration, but always tailor your commands to your specific audience and message.
A Skeleto.com course. Examples: accept yourself, act fast, appreciate the little things, be a game changer, be a leader, be an inspiration, be bold, be compassionate, be grateful, be kind, be the best version of yourself, believe in yourself, book your appointment, break free from limitations, build your confidence, buy now, call us now, celebrate your wins, challenge yourself, change the world, chase your dreams, choose happiness, claim your spot, click here, create your own path, cultivate gratitude, dare to be different, discover the secret, discover your true potential, don't miss out, download now, embrace change, empower yourself, find balance, find out how, find your purpose, focus on the good, follow your intuition, get started, get your free sample, go for it, help others, ignite your passion, innovate and create, join us, just do it, keep exploring, keep growing, keep improving, keep learning, keep moving forward, keep pushing boundaries, learn more, leave your mark, live in the moment, live with passion, live your dreams, love yourself, make a difference, make it happen, make your vision a reality, never give up, order now, overcome your fears, practice daily, practice mindfulness, prioritize self-care, pursue your goals, push yourself, register now, reserve your seat, respect yourself, sign up, start your free trial, stay authentic, stay committed, stay curious, stay focused, stay grounded, stay humble, stay hungry, stay positive, stay true to yourself, step out of your comfort zone, subscribe today, surround yourself with positivity, take action, take care of yourself, take control, take risks, tap into your creativity, think big, transform your life, trust the process, trust yourself, unleash your creativity, unlock the potential, upgrade today, watch the video.
A Skeleto.com course.